Welcome back everyone. Today we are going to solve a few problems using small friends. To solve these problems, make sure you know the concept of small friends. I have also shared the link in the description below of addition and subtraction using small friends. We all know who are small friends. In small friends, 5 is the boss number, 1 is the friend of 4, 2 is the friend of 3, 3 is the friend of 2, and 4 is the friend of 1. And why they are friends? When you add these numbers, the total comes up to 5. Now today we are going to add and subtract one-digit numbers using small friends. Now the first number here is 7 less 3. Do we have enough beats? No, we don't have enough beats. So we use the small friend concept. What is the formula for this? For less 3, first we will do less the boss 5 and add 3's friend. Who's the friend of 3? 2. So answer is 4. Next, add 4. Now how do we add 4? We use the small friend. Add 5 and less the friend of 4, that is 1. Less 6. How do we do less 6? Now less 6 we can directly do it from here. So less 6, add 3. Now how do I add 3? Again formula applies. Add the boss 5 and less 3's friend, that is 2. Less 1. How do I less 1? Less the boss 5 and add 1's friend, that is 4. Add 4. Add the 5 and less the friend of 4, that is 1. Less 7. Now we can directly do less 7 here. Add 3. I add 3 here and less 4. So my answer is 0. Let's continue the next one. The first number we have is 9. Less 7. We can directly do less 7 here. Add 3. Add the 5 and less the friend of 3, that is 2. Less 1. Less the boss 5 and add 1's friend, that is 4. Add 2. Add the 5 and less 2's friend, that is 3. Less 3. Less the boss 5 and add 3's friend 2. 5. We can directly add 5 here. Less 4. Again. Less the boss 5. Add 1. Add 1. Add 5. And less the friend of 1, that is 4. And last one is less 5. So answer is 0. I hope you're confident in using the concept of addition and subtraction with the help of small friends. And this is a small task for you. You can pause the video, work it out and write the answers in the comments below. If you have learned something new and found my videos helpful, do share them with your family and friends who are interested in learning Abacus. Do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay in touch and keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of Abacus with Fatima. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.